can't quite see it.
I don't care. I don't care.
Maybe just stand up and do it.
Woo! I'm so excited. I love fireworks.
Me too. And it feels like a real fireworks because we're seriously sitting on a blanket. I'm just gonna turn that off. Where's your brother? I wonder how you set them off. Ew, I just drew myself. I have 13 people here. What? 13 people are here.
Including you guys.
What?
Talking to the camera.
What? What did you just say?
No.
Where did he go?
Okay, guys, we're going to the next firework. We're super excited for part 3.
Hello.
I think they're setting them off. Which trees?
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Like you can kind of see like the fire.
Run!
Now!
Dodge the fireworks.
No more. I said one at a time before we left the house.
Ooh,
That's your mother.
that's your, listen.
You got Grant Lesson and Nami here. You could be in trouble. And the paddle is up in the house.
Uh-oh.
Ooh!
No, I got one.
Run!
Like that.
Was that it?
You can barely.
20 off at a time.
Stop it. Now stop.
We only have 4 tubes.
You did all the cake?
Why is there baby minnow on my tablet?
What? Whoa! That's so weird. That's cute though. Don't throw it on me.
Why was it on my tablet? I'm not even in the water. And I didn't
Okay, we'll keep recording. It's 3 minutes long already, guys. We're so happy. We're so excited. We're so happy. And we can't wait to post part 3 and tell you our thoughts on these fireworks.
You can kind of see it. You can. Oh, run!
Woo!
Yeah.
You're too close.
Whoa! He looks like he's walking away in those
It looks like a
movies,
closer
those
to
action
right.
movies. They like just walk away from the explosion they made. He's like real cool, like.
Well, it looks like a bomb in the camera. Look. Well, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. When he sets it off, it looks like a bomb.
Seagal. Said I'm Steven Seagal.
Look, see? Look. Look, it looks like a bomb.
Yeah, show them.
I know I will. Like, I follow the fireworks. Ah.
Alright guys, we're gonna stop recording for now because you just need to enjoy the fireworks. But you saw enough, and we can't wait to show you the last part, which are our thoughts on the fireworks. Bye!